Parsons. It's Shonda with Stocking Stuff. I am here to share a project that I completed this week and some crafty goals that I have for I'm gonna say the first quarter of the year. I'm not gonna even try to make goals for the whole year. I'm gonna say the first quarter. So my first goal was to clean and organize my craft room. So I have done that, checked, so excited about it. My husband even walked in and was like, what? So that made me feel good. Secondly, I am going to participate in one year-long collaboration because I have to move to figure out how to pack up my room, and I don't want to overcommit. And I am going to be more conscientious about sending some happy mail. I have a lot of people on the list that I have, and I just haven't quite gotten to it. And I may do some pop-in open collaborations, but what I really want to do is start working on some Christmas packaging, because I see all these cute things and then I never get to them, and then I'm having to rush. So I just want to work on some Christmas packaging and some ephemera, and I want to use up some scraps, whether it's cards or packaging or whatever. So those are my goals for the first quarter. Some of them will overlap until the second, and then I'm going to be really struggling the third quarter to get everything moved and back up and running to finish the year and to be able to get content on my YouTube channel. So bear with me. I am doing I got a request because I made a card like this before. This is the Poodles pop-up book card, and it turns out really pretty. It's like a display card. So, I don't know if you all have this issue when you make handmade cards and people want to display them and they just love them, and then, so that's what happens. So this is a birthday card for an AKA that I do not know. So you will see pink and green here. And so I did the outside in like this olive green and pink and gold. All right, and then it opens and it's got the little, I can never get these like as peaked as I want them to be, but it has 3 additional pages. And last time I did it, I decorated all the sides so much, and you don't really get to open it, but I'm going to try to do a flip through for you so you can see. So I did cover the inside with this gray and rose paper and matted it with on top of the gold, and I did that on the front, the insides of the card. And then the second layer, because the person who likes the cards, she always wants the person's name on it. So the second layer I had a 6-inch, like a 6 by 12 inch piece of this paper left in. It was in my in the pack that it came in, the paper pad. And then I just used a piece of ephemera and I heat embossed birthday love on there, and I just put her name with those stickers that I had bought at HSN. And look at that color. They had a color that matched, and I just did that at the last part. Now I did decorate just simply the outside of the next page. This is that wrapping paper that I use a lot. If you've seen me use it, I just love it. It is actually wrapping paper, like gift wrapping paper on a roll. And I just cut stuff with it. And then I had these 2 pieces already cut. This is, I think it's an In Love Arts die. And then I used the oval that comes with it is small. So I used an oval from my set and cut it in the green, and then I heat embossed happy birthday, and this goes with another set that has ovals. And then I just did a strip of this, it's actually the leftover piece here, and I just did that strip and put an ivy leaf that is a cottage cuts, I think that's what it's called, from their collection. And then the inside, I have these like swirly dies, and one of them says happy birthday. So I cut the 3-piece set, and then I cut the happy birthday one and I put it on top of the green, hopefully so that it could be read better. And then I felt like the page needed something else, so I have these chain dies, and so I just cut one and cut it in half, and so it was like going across the page. And then not older, just better, because I didn't want to say happy birthday on every page. And then I'm going to try to get these tighter in here. I must not have them in there really good because they're slipping. And then, or because I'm not supposed to be showing all the pages. And so then I put ivy leaf on the back of that one. And then I had some stickers in my stash, so I put AKA, and then I had another like chain die, and I just did it in gold glitter so that it matched. I like this page because it looks like it has writing on it, and so I didn't have anything on it at first, but I was like, well, let me just go ahead and do something on every page so that, you know, when she has it displayed, you can still kind of see that there's something on every page there. And then here that's the other end of that paper with the flower and the gold. And so this is a Spellbinders die from a Spellbinders die that I had never used before. And so I took the roses there, and then I just put her initials. And then the front and the back page, I just used what was left over here and did a strip on the side, and then I did it here as well. I'm getting these all out of order a little bit. All right, so then on the back, I took the other piece of that and I I embossed folder. First I stamped it with the olive green, Stampin' Up. It's not called olive green though, but it's basically that color. Also layered on the gold, and then I used an embossing folder and I can't remember the name of it, but I had gotten it somewhere, and it says happy birthday. And then I'm gonna put a note. I'm not gonna write on it. I'm going to put a note from the sorority sister that is coming from, and just tell her to enjoy this, you know, because I thought I should tell her what it is, a pop-up display card. And so that is the way it displays, like that, so that it's kind of, you know, the pages are kind of open, and she can really kind of see in there a little bit to enjoy some of the decorations. So I tried to put them close to the edge. So that is my project share. This is kind of a long video, but I appreciate you all watching. And stay tuned to see if I make my crafty goals. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.